Amidst the anticipation of Zimbabwe's participation in the African Development Bank annual meetings in Nairobi, Kenya, a tweet from President Mnangagwa sparked a wave of controversy today. The tweet, expressing the nation's commitment to advancing the Arrears Clearance and Debt Settlement Plan, was met with a barrage of criticism from citizens and observers alike. While the government's focus on paving the way for economic stability and growth was emphasized, the social media backlash highlighted a stark decision for opinions regarding the president's leadership, and the international community awaits Zimbabwe's representation at the African Development Bank meetings. The public's response to the president's statement underscores the complex and contentious nature of the nation's economic trajectory. After the president tweeted that he is traveling to Nairobi for the ADB annual meeting, people were quick to criticize him, stated that Zimbabwe is committed but not doing anything. Actions talk louder than words say. Why are you campaigning? When is your last term? Please tell your people to sing pro-Chiwenga songs. Stop that 2013 nonsense. Are you sure you are in the best position to talk about economic stability? Is this true, Comrade President, that you donated US $3 million to ANC towards the elections whilst we are struggling to get paracetamol in our hospitals? Winter is fast approaching. We don't have enough blankets for our patients. Can you stop this thing of the entire country receiving you when you come back, comrade? How much money and time resources are wasted with this practice? I mean, honestly.